Hello, guys. My name is Nadav Jr. I'm a forex trader from Burundi, Bujumbura. I have 4 years experience in financial markets. Most of the time, I trade currencies, and sometimes I trade synthetic pairs, volatility pairs like volatility 25, volatility 20, 25, 10, 75, and most of the time, boom and crash. I have a lot of experience. I have a big experience trading the volatility pairs. But in currencies, I love to trade Euro USD, Nasdaq, gold, also not Donjon. Basically, my goal or my wish, my long-term wish with you guys, I want to share everything about the financial markets because in Burundi we have a very gap of information about the markets, about the financial market. When you talk about forex trading or when you talk about the financial market, a lot of people understand that is people. A lot of people understand that we are talking about scamming people. No, it's not. It's not the case. So my goal to open this channel is to help you guys to understand better the financial market. And I will be mixing Swahili, sometimes English. I'm trying my best to understand to speak English. Basically nitatumia makosa mengi sana kwa Kiingereza, but you guys try to understand me very well. All right? So let's start. Let me give you this introduction about the market structure, right? Because today I decided to show you guys how I manage to take some entries, right? So about market structure, we have two types of markets. We have bullish market and bearish markets. On bullish market, basically, let me try bullish. On bullish market, we have some specification to know the bullish market. We have high and we have higher low. Basically, we're gonna change this narrative because a lot of people knows about high. Let me call it validation level. All right, and this one, let me call it as an invalidation level. I will try to explain on the coming videos kwa nini is invalidation na kwa nini ni invalidation. Okay, so let me try to explain. This is a high, this is our low, and this is a high. Basically, market move like that, but this is a simple orientation. When you're on a real market, this impulsive move is hii inaundwa na candlestick nyingi sana ambazo zinapanda na kushuka. Kwenye hii impulsive move, we can go to bullish move and bearish movement at the same time. But what you need to know is that when price is creating this high, a lot of people call it break of market structure. This is the high. But for me, huwaga naita kama ni validation level because we got the validation to the upside. When price is creating this new high, this one become our validation level because this is the area which validates this movement. And this higher low, we're gonna call it our invalidation level. Why our invalidation level? I will try to explain this one kwenye videos ambazo zinafuatia. So when price is creating this high and this low, this part inside the validation level, and the validation level here is what we call our area of interest. This is our area of liquidity. I'm gonna call it our area of liquidity. And basically most of the time price come kwenye hii level to grab liquidity before going to the up direction. So don't be fooled with people who tells that market move by creating high, low, high. When price is closing on this level, price will go and test this level and then going up again. Nope. Most of the time when price is creating the validation, price will come to grab liquidities on the area of liquidity before going up. So on a bearish market, we have the same scenarios, but with different. When the bearish market, we have the lower low and the lower high. This our lower low is what we are going to call our validation level. and this one is what we are going to call our invalidation level. All right, because price is moving by creating low, high, low. This is our validation, this is our invalidation, and our expectation is to see price come back to this area of liquidity before dropping down again. All right, okay. Let me share some analysis nilizozifanya kipindi cha nyuma hapo about it's like one week ambayo iliyopita. So let me try to cut the charts. Right, this is EURUSD, by the way. I took this entry when price was creating this movement. Price was creating this movement. The market was bullish, as you can see. We had our confirmation on this level that price is bullish. All right, we had another confirmation that price was bullish on that level. All right. Okay. After getting this confirmation, this was our invalidation level. And I told you guys I'm going to explain what is invalidation. I only explained the validation because this one is the area which validates the bullish of the market. All right. So nilivyoona hii market ilivyokuwa kwenye hii level, for me it was very interesting because what I want to see based on higher time frame, market was trying to create simple pullback to the area of liquidity. Basically, it was the daily area of liquidity. All right. So on that level, price after creating this invalidation, nimeikaa kwa kusubiria what is going to happen next. And let me play the market. As you guys can see, price managed to close below this invalidation level. All right, basically this one was a big signal for me, as you can see, because market ilikuwa imeshafanya nini, imeshatengeneza transition. But after creating these transitions, you know, most of the time when the market is changing the direction, kuna vitu ambavyo waga vinatokea. When the market is creating the high and low and then try to change this narrative to become bearish market, kuna kitu ambacho waga tunazingatia sana is the forms of the transition, the structure that was created before the shift happened. This is the transition. Before to call this transition as shift, kuna coordination ambazo tunatakiwa tuangalie zaidi. All right. So for me, that was a signal that market is going to change the direction, and now we need to go bearish. So kwenye zile coordination, one of them ilikuwa ni hii hapa, right? Hii hapa. Sorry guys, let me close my WhatsApp. All right, and one of them, it was this one. So for me, I changed this one as my area of interest, where I wanted to see price come to this level, and start dropping again. All right. So in terms of kuna kitu ambacho kinaitwa refinement, I refine my entry based on my trading plan. So I refine basically to get a very good entry, a very sniping entry, and to have a very tight stop loss. So nilivyokuja kurefine kwenye hii level, nilienda deeper down to check basically what is my good area to take the decision of selling this one, Euro USD. So after getting that one, the invalidation to the upside was my stop loss. This was my stop loss, and I was expecting to see price come back to that level before start dropping again. Okay, so let me remove this one and put my orders on this level ili tupate uhakika wa kufanyaje kuja down. So I'm going to refine this to the stop loss was around 10 pips. Alright, and the TP ilikuwa bigger kidogo because I was expecting to see price going back to the area of daily, area of liquidity, which was on this level down here. Because when market was moving kwenye hii level, we had our transition here, and this is the area where I was looking price to change the direction to the upside. So as you can see, guys, after getting this one, I have very good information of price, how it's going to drop and how the price will go up again. All right, so nilivyo test hiyo hapo, this was my area where I was waiting to see reaction of price to go up again. Okay, so even on this one, the stop loss was very tight. Okay, so let me play the market and see what happened. Here we go. Okay, let me change the speed on this one. As you can see, guys, tumeshachukua entry yetu and we are ready to move to the downside direction. As you can see, price goes and turned again, ilirudi kuchukua some entries on that level, and as you see, guys, yes, we had a very good entry. Tulisell kwenye hii level pips 230 and price managed to get another entry up with 11 pips, and price ilitembea something around pips 144. Ko tulipata more pips on this level, and this is how was my entry, guys, and thank you for your time. The next video is coming. Follow me on my Instagram, Nadav Junior, Twitter, Nadav Junior. I share a lot of things on my social medias. Okay, thank you. And now, what is coming next? As you guys can see on this level, with our transition. After getting our transition, we have these areas as price can come to grab liquidity, or we need to see the liquidation process around this area when price will be dropping. Maybe price will do something like that, will come on this level and going up again, or maybe price will do this. Maybe price will come down and start moving again, because we need to close above this area. All right, thank you, guys. Have a good time.